Hello everyone, next we will talk about another setting from DWG export setup which we have not seen before. So in previous videos we have talked about layers, then lines and patterns, and now we are going to talk about text and fonts. So first you can see for the fonts you can automatically map a font, which is what I use, but what interests us in here is this setting, text behavior when exported. You have two options, preserve editability and preserve visual fidelity. We will go with the first one. So first I will create a text and I will create it in a way that it will be wrapping. So if I will drag this, you can see that the text is being broken and it is being wrapping. So if I will go now with my DWG export and I will select preserve visual fidelity, what this means is that it will prioritize the visual aspect, so how it looks like in Revit. It will try to make it look the same inside of the AutoCAD. So if I will now open this inside of my DWG, you can see that the text is now being like exactly as inside of Revit, but actually these are two mText elements, so you can see that the editability is not that good. So if I go back to my Revit file and export it with the second setting, which is to preserve editability, it will prioritize the editability of the text inside of the DWG file. If I will go with the 1.7 and open it, you can see now the text doesn't look the same as it is in the Revit file, but you can see if I click on it, it is a one end text element, so the editability is preserved. So based on this setting, you can say like how should it export, and my experience is that the problem usually happens when you have some text which is being wrapped, like this one. With the normal text, like if it's like one line, it doesn't usually happen. It usually happens only when it is being wrapped. So this is basically the most important from the text, which we can see in here. And next we will take a look on the colors.